Hello and welcome back to One Two Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Craigslist account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon since you'll receive instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. To log into Craigslist, open your web browser first. As soon as you do that, type in craigslist.org. Hit the enter on your keyboard and you'll be taken to the official website. Click on My Account at the left hand side, and as soon as you do that, you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your email on the first field and move on to the next step and enter your password. In case you forgot the password, click on Forgot Password link at the right corner and reset your password by following the instructions. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can create an account by entering your email address and click on Create Account and follow the instructions. After entering the credentials correct, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into Craigslist account. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.